Hi everyone, welcome to High Education Video Classroom and let's learn lesson 78. When did you? Okay. Azalda yaxshimizlar. 78 ders. When did you? Xo'sh hamsa yana bir qatam shu 77 ders bu muhim mazmunlarni bir takror olib chiqadi. Hamsa qaranglar, complete these blanks, you know, or complete this sentence. Hamsa qarasanglar, ma example qarab, shu example asosan sizlar mushlarni bir ishlab chiqsam bo'ldi. Masalan, she goes to town every day. Buni addi hozirgi zaman shunaqa, u har kuni u izbozorga bordi. Endi u tunugun body demoqchi bo'lsak demaysan. She went to town yesterday. Sizlarning qildiqaysizlar musharika asos fe'lninki o'tgan zaman shaklini, uningki vaqtdan o'tgan zaman vaqtini yozsak bo'ldi. Masalan, she buys a new car every day. U har yili bir yangi mashina sotib oldi. Endi u o'tgan yili yangi mashinadan birini sotib oldi demoqchi o'stim yo'lda. Sana buyning o'tgan zaman shakli bought. Buyning o'tgan zaman shakli bought. Ama masalan, she bought a new car last year. She bought a new car last year. Okay, number 2, you know, she airs the room every day. U har kuni uyning havosini almashtirdi. Endi airni o'tgan zaman shakli aired. Demek, she aired the room this morning. O bugün ettigen müşöne havasını almashtirdi. Mesela she often loses his pen. O daim kalemini yuttirib qo'ydi. Endi u bugün ettigen kalemini yuttirib qo'ydi. Endi lose degandan ko'kkan zaman shakli lost. Demek, he lost his pen this morning. He lost his pen this morning. What about number 4? She always listened to the news. Okay, and then we had yesterday that bit of this. You know, she listened to the news yesterday. O tunugun qana qildi? Xabarni angladi. She emptied the basket every day. O har kuni bu sibetlik narsalarni tuguydi. Demak, quruqdaydi shunama. Endi tunugun quruqdari bo'lsa, emptied shunama. She emptied the basket yesterday. She emptied the basket yesterday. Okay. Another question B nimasi? Answer these questions. Answer these questions. Look. First, you know, it's 2016. When did he paint this room? Okay. Bu yil 2016-yil. Andaqda u qachon bu o'yinni sirladi? Last year. Agar bu last year sirlagan bo'lsa 2015 degan gap. Demak bu javob bergani he painted his room in 2015. He painted this room in 2015. Okay? So it's September 1st. When did she meet him? U uni bilan qachon ko'rishdi? Okay, 2 months ago. Okay, and the September 1st bo'lgan bo'lsa 9-oyning 1. 2 oy burun ko'rishgan bo'lsa 7-oyning 1 ko'rishgan bo'ladi. Bu nima dersanglar? July 1st. So she met him on July 1st. Endi bu oylar bilan kunlar birlik kelganda biz buni nima ishlatamiz? On ishlatamiz. Endi kunni bildirdik-ku bu yerda. She met him on July 1st. July 1st. So it's 11:15. Okay, 11dan 15 minut o'tdi shunama. So when did he arrive? U qachon yetib keldi? You know, half an hour ago. Okay, half an hour ago means it's 15 or 11:15. Demak 11 ga 15 minut, ya'ni 10dan 45 o'tganda kelgan bo'lishi. Shunami yarim soat burun kelgan bo'lsa. So, unda masalan, say he fe'lni o'tgan zaman shakli arrived. He arrived at 11:15. He arrived at 11:15. 11:15. Okay, next one is Sunday. When did he telephone her? Uning qachon telefon qildi? Yeah, today is a Sunday. Yesterday. It means like he telephoned her. He telephoned her on Saturday. Okay, tunugun bo'lganki, yakshanbaning tunugundan bo'ldi, Saturday. Okay, Saturday. So, it's April. When did he fly a kite? U qachon laglak uchirdi? You know, it's a 1 month ago. It means like April and 1 month ago, it means March. So, he flew a kite in March. Okay, and the March shunjayda qana qildi? Laglak uchirdi. So it's a Thursday. When did he have a temperature? And o qachon qizitib qopti? Yesterday. You know, today is a Thursday, and then if he had a temperature, it means like he had a temperature on Wednesday. Payshanbaning oldingi kuni bo'lsin bo'ldi, Wednesday bo'ldi. Demak, he had a temperature on Wednesday. So next it's Friday. When did it rain? Okay, hozir nima? Friday. Qachon yomg'ir yog'di? Okay. And then yesterday. It means like Thursday, right? It rained on Thursday. Okay. Bo'ldi vallah. Mana mush mashqlarni bir qadim ko'ryaptik. Bo'lsa o'z qo'linglar bilan bir qo'l silib, ash mashqlarni bir ishlab etsanglar ham yaxshi bo'ldi. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.